welcome back to my channel. I'm Crystal and I'm so glad that you stopped by. So excuse the homely appearance. I know I said that I'm gonna stop coming on here looking this homely, but it's Sunday and I'm about to organize my closet. So I just wanted to show you kind of the before. So this is gonna be like I guess a closet tour, but my closet is not that big, so let me show you. Okay, so right now I'm standing in my room and this is my closet. So you have the washer and dryer, which is convenient, but it's also loud. The back wall, which is my clothes, my shoes, and at the top, this is the only storage space that I really have, other than my outside storage that I don't use. That I stored my Christmas decorations in, some of them. My Christmas trees in my the closet by the front door. So yeah. So my clothes, my shoes, I really need to organize that. And then this side is just shelving. So to me, it just looks pretty boring. So what I'm going to do, it's going to just be like a light organization because I really don't have many options, I guess. And I really don't have that much stuff, but I'm just tired of it looking so... Some people will call this organized. I don't think so. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to condense my blue bag and my book bag into my red bag because I really like my red bag. So I'm going to leave that on display. And then I'm going to move my printer down to this bottom shelf. And I bought 4 more of these containers from the Container Store. And so the rest of the 4 are going to go over here. And I'll probably be able to put these things somewhere, organize this a bit better. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this stuff up here yet because that is for my, that's for my ring light, which my ring light, I normally keep it up, so I don't know. So I'm probably going to leave this shelf alone at the top, like this one. Of course, I'm not moving that because I have nowhere else to put it. This shelf might stay kind of like it is. I haven't decided yet on what to do with that, but yeah. The goal for today is to condense this stuff down here, move this, and add in my my new containers, which I'm actually filling up now. So yeah, that's the goal for today. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's all put together because I don't know. I don't really feel like filming it. I'm sorry. But yeah, you'll see how it turns out. Also, I wanted to go ahead and show you the containers before I start filling them. So I actually ordered 4 of these, but they only had 3 at the store. So I have to pick up another one maybe I think next week or something. So yeah. These are actually men's shoe boxes, men's clear shoe boxes. So they're really big and I think they, you know, they fit a lot of stuff. So I think they're perfect for my closet. Also, I got these on sale for, I think they were right under $10 each. Yeah, like last week they were on sale and they come with these lids. Sorry, they're a little noisy. So they come with these lids. And if you're worried about ventilation, you know, for your things, they also have ventilation holes. So yeah, you can't go wrong with these. I mean, the people at the store were like, hey, what do you use those for? I'm like, oh, I just use it for my closet, you know, just, you know, for keeping accessories in their place. So right now, like, this is like my keepsake box. So like old birthday cards, medals, awards, old mail. This is my old debit card from Wachovia, which does not exist anymore. But I thought it was a cute little keepsake. So I'm just, you know, not only condensing things, but I'm also, and organizing things, but I'm also getting rid of things, which I've gotten rid of a few things already. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that before I get them filled. Okay, so I just came across a couple of things that I wanted to show y'all. So I remember before I moved out, I printed off this checklist. It's an apartment checklist, but I live in a condo, so it's definitely like an apartment. You can call it an apartment if you would like. But so I just printed off with all the things that I thought that I would need, and this was very helpful because when you get in here and you realize how much you don't have, you wish that you would have just gone ahead and gotten it before you moved in. So I would definitely suggest a checklist. Also, I came across some of my old sofa swatches. Now, I didn't end up getting this sofa from Crate & Barrel, but I would always suggest that you get swatches of anything you can get a swatch of. So if that's like, you know, if you want to do tile, flooring, always get those type of samples and swatches and things like that. Paint swatches. But definitely get swatches for your furniture, because then you can see how it looks in any light. You know, like the sun's shining right now, but what if it was gloomy? How dark would it look? How would it look at night? And so how does it feel? Spill something on it so you know how you can treat it. It's very important to get swatches. So I just wanted to show you guys that before I throw these things away, because I don't need them anymore. Okay guys, so I'm about to be dramatic and reveal my closet. It's nothing special. So this is what I have so far. Like I said, I do have another one that's coming, so it's going to go here. They were not able to, like, you remember how I had them stacked forward facing? I was only able to get 2 more over here and not have like 8 on one row. So I feel like it looked better sideways, and I think it looks a bit more organized. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it. So I'll start at the top. So I basically just shifted that over. I still don't know what I'm going to do with that stuff. Yeah, I don't know. Sorry, that stuff. And then I put my laundry up here, my laundry stuff up here. Now, what I would like to do is I would like to get some sort of shelving that could attach to the back of this door. And then I could put my laundry stuff back here and I wouldn't even have to see it. That's the ideal situation, but I don't know when that's gonna happen, and I don't know any shelving for the back of the door that would fit that laundry detergent, or like a big thing of bleach. I don't know. So if you guys know anything, please let me know. So yeah, then I just have my boxes displayed. I do need to fix, oh my god, my hair. I do need to fix my jewelry box. It broke, and I still have the pieces, so I kind of want to glue those together. I got this from Target, and I don't think they have it anymore, so I didn't want to get rid of it. I really like it. So, and then I have my nail polishes and my KKW Beauty fragrance box, as well as the perfume, my Chanel box, and my Michael Kors box. And this is something that's very special to me. My aunt gave this to me after my grandmother died, and my grandmother had this in her closet. And my grandmother used to have a lot of these like hat boxes and boxes like this, and so I really, really cherish this. Yeah, so I'm keeping that here. Yeah. And how I organized it, it's I know it looks like a bunch of stuff jumbled into one, but like I said earlier, I think this one is keepsakes and, like, you know, stuff I might need around the house. I think that's just papers, old papers. That's like stuff from high school and college and elementary school. That's also stuff from college, as you can see, my KSU. I think it's my cap and gown in there. This is just my purses, my other little purses. Some belts, which it would make sense for this to go in here, but I wear my belt often, so I just wanted it to be easy, you know, easy to access. Oh my gosh, I cannot even talk. I'm tired. Sorry. It's like once you get the top on these things, you do not want to take the top off. But like I said, it'll have another one on top of it, so that'll help to keep it closed. But yes, it has my belts, my purses, my scarves, and my hats. So, and then this is hair products, hair and body, and these little clear decorative things. I didn't have any room for it. I didn't have any room for it in the other boxes, so I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna put that in there. But it's hashtag work spelled out, and I used to have it displayed in my old bedroom. I'll probably insert a picture so you can see how I used it. Light bulbs and like the fresh scents, and then that red bag with I got my steamer in there too. So my steamer, my book bag, and my other blue bag are all in the red bag, and then my printer and printer paper. Yeah, so that is it. Now, it's okay. It's not ideal, but it will do for now. Please excuse my hair. It's almost 10:30. I need to put my bonnet on. Now for this side, this is a whole nother beast, because that bottom drawer will not close. Because there's so much, you know, in the drawers on top of it, and my towels. So I need to really figure this section out, which I'll kind of talk about that in another video, because I was gonna get my closet done, but I declined it. But yeah, I'll talk about that in another video. So that's it for today. Yeah, while I'm in here, let me pick out my clothes for work tomorrow, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.